Hello my beautiful human beings, welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, welcome. I just said that twice. My name is Brooke and I post beauty and lifestyle related videos weekly, so feel free to subscribe to my channel to join the squad we've got going here on YouTube. But for today's video, I'm showing you guys how to achieve this glamorous, smoky cut crease kind of look, if you will. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm using a new eyeshadow palette, which I absolutely fell in love with. This is also a quick beat, so I already have my face makeup done and I'm showing you guys how to do the eye look. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, which I absolutely love, and I'm just going to be using this to prime my lids today, and then I'm just blending it in with my Morphe MB13 brush. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and taking the shade Vanilla. I'm going to be setting my lid with this just to make sure that any of the shadows I put down after this don't look patchy or anything like that. And then I'm going in with my Lavish Luxe Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which I am absolutely obsessed with. I love this because it is so pigmented and it blends out so nicely. The shimmers are super shimmery and the mattes aren't chalky or anything like that, which is a huge plus for me because a lot of times I like shimmers but the mattes just don't blend and they look patchy and they just don't build up, but these blend so nicely. So I'm going to be taking that bottom shade right there and I'm going to be putting this into my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm going to be taking this warm brown shade right here and I'm going to be putting this a little bit tighter in my crease, focusing it all the way through the outer corner to the inner corner and also bringing it slightly onto the outer V there. I'm not worrying about being too precise with any of these shades because I will be going in with some concealer later on in the video to clean the lid up. But next I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is a darker shade I'll be using today. I'm going to focus this tightest in my crease and then slightly onto that outer corner as well. This is just going to build some definition and really set the look for the cut crease. Picking up my all-time favorite concealer, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to go in and put a little bit of this onto my lash line and then I'm going to tilt my head downward so that my eye kind of goes up. All this is going to do is help me figure out where exactly I need to cut the crease so that you can see it. Because I do have a heavier fold, oftentimes I find that when I used to do cut creases, it just looked like a smoky eye rather than a cut crease. So doing this really helped me find exactly where my socket is and exactly where to put that concealer so everything looks nice and clean. So all I'm doing now is just going back in with that darkest shade and focusing this on the outer corner and the outer V and then slightly blending it into my crease just to make sure that everything is seamless. Next, I'm going to be picking up this shade once again and I'm just going to focus that in between the darkest color and the middle of the lid area there just to make sure that everything blends nice and it has a nice gradient effect. And then I'm going to be going in with this shimmery shade right here and spraying my brush with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm just going to work this onto my lid, going right up into that cut crease to kind of clean it up a little bit, but also just to make sure that everything is nice and crisp. I have to be honest with you guys, the quality of these shadows is absolutely amazing. I did my makeup and then went to work after this, so I had my makeup on for about 8 hours and when I came home the shadows were still good as new. This is not a brand that I heard a lot about or have heard a lot about in the past, however I feel like they deserve a lot more recognition because they do have very high quality products for a very affordable price point. And if you guys do want to check them out, I do have a code with them. If you use the code BROOK20 you can save 20%. And I'm not getting paid to say any of this or anything like that. I just want to let you guys know this is a great brand and it's affordable, so if you guys want to check it out I definitely would. But now I'm just going to pick up my Carli Bybel BH Cosmetics palette and take that bottom left highlighting shade right there, and I'm using this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. This has definitely become my all new favorite highlighting shade just because it is so pigmented and so bright. But now I'm just going to be going in with my Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and putting on a quick coat of mascara before going in with falsies. And for falsies today I will be using my Chic lashes in the style Fierce, which oh my god you guys, I am absolutely absolutely in love with. This is definitely my new favorite style lash that they have, just because it creates such a beautiful wing from the inner corner to the outer corner, as you can see there. I've used the Chic lashes a lot of times in my past videos, and I really do love this brand. I do have a coupon code with them. You can save 20% off of their mink lashes if you use the code BROOK20, so just wanted to throw that out there in case you guys wanted to try them out, because they are a new brand and I think they deserve a lot more support and recognition because they are really great. Now I'm just picking up my Morphe eyeliner in the shade Richie, which I've used so many times in the past. You guys know I love this. It's just a really nice, dark, rich, warm brown liner. How many descriptive words can I use there? But now I'm just going to be blending out this shade that we used in the crease onto my lower waterline, just to blend out that liner and add to the smokiness effect of the look. Was that English? Not really, but do you get English when you come to my channel? Not really. Moving on, I'm just going to put a quick coat of Roller Lash onto my lower lashes. This is just a mascara by Benefit, which I love. Alright, and now I'm going in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, which I'm completely obsessed with. I just love a good nude. You can't really go wrong. So I'm just going to be putting this all over my lips, and then that completes the look. Alright, ladies and gents, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. It helps to get my video out there. And feel free to leave comments letting me know what kinds of videos you would like to see from me next. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel down below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.